Hi, I wanted to take a little bit of time to discuss the sell-off that we have seen in certain segments of the market over the last few weeks. We've seen a significant sell-off in Bitcoin and crypto, and also in certain segments of the equity market as well, in particular the higher beta AI stocks, as well as the more speculative areas of the market as well. So what's going on? And is this the beginning of the end of the AI trade? So I think fundamentally, one thing that does seem to be occurring is back in July when the Genius Act was approved, it provided a regulatory framework for stablecoins. And there is some discussion about whether or not that has displaced Bitcoin's transactional role within the monetary system. So investors are selling Bitcoin, and the route that has happened in that part of the market might be forcing investors, in particular hedge funds, to sell other equities. And so you've seen correlations in the area that I just discussed increase pretty significantly. And I think the question is that having an impact on the rest of the market? To me, what it does indicate is that valuations were very high. We've had excess leverage, and we've probably had a lot of complacency. But the sell-off has been very orderly. Money overall is not leaving all equities. It's rotating. It's rotating into value and quality. So we've had other segments of the market actually holding up very well. And if you really look at fundamentals, overall, they're pretty good. We do see earnings accelerating in general. When NVIDIA reported their earnings, revenues actually accelerated and were better than what Wall Street was looking for. So again, I think this just highlights that valuations are high. There is a lot of excess liquidity and excess leverage, which can lead to volatility in the market. But there definitely are some areas that are still attractive, such as emerging markets, where valuations are lower. I think the healthcare sector continues to be quite attractive, and we're seeing some positive news come out of a lot of companies. And I do think value in the US continues to trade at a fairly large discount and is starting to attract some cash flows. Thank you so much.